Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of the connection between precast wall by using steel bars. Let me remove this part. Instance, see here we have the steel reinforcement as a wire part in both walls, but the connection between two walls uh, are these steel bars here, 3D steel bars. See these three steel bars, and we apply a monolithic bar load on the top surface here of the wall. If I click on this and let me replace just two concrete, see this is the two concrete, the deformation, and let me check for instance the compressive damage, tension damage. It is fully damaged. See here the damage initiate here at the connection zone. See here now at the connection zone of the steel solid bar as a connector between two walls, you know, under the uh, uh, axial load here. So we can check for instance stress or anything. Now let me remove this here. See the steel bar, see the stress here, here, and here. These are the critical zones, and we can do also pull-out test of this wall here. Check the displacement. Remove here, see, or a stiffness degradation or anything else. So let me remove now here. See, we use the cohesive interaction between the steel 3D bar and the precast wall concrete here, and this steel reinforcement are embedded inside the concrete. Also we can check the force displacement diagram for this. See, we have increase in force capacity along y direction. It is 0.25 meganewton. After that we can use a flat line on the maximum values, and then if we keep it we will get the zero value for the force, and the maximum is here. After that we have decrease in capacity. So if you want to model the precast concretes with a steel bar, solid bar as a connection between them, you can use this tutorial. So come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, or search it in the search section of the website. Then you will have at your title, geometry here, then the step interaction load, material, anything, and then the result as figures. The cost for the reference paper CAE IMP English video file step by step is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. And also we have a full package of Abaqus here containing more than 400 tutorials. 400. And it covers everything in Abaqus. If you use this full package, you can find it anywhere in the web. If you use this full package, you will be a master in simulation and modeling. So these are the main titles here, and there are many subtitles in these main titles here. You can read all the things here about this full package. So if you need to buy this full package with an affordable price, so contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process, the price, the download links, anything else. So if you need it, just contact me to this email, and thank you for your attention.